Well, hello friends, just a quick video to show how to fit 12-foot building materials in a minivan. And in this case, particularly a Toyota Sienna Limited. Of course, you want to mind the leather, but these are pretty soft boards, so I'm not worried about screwing up the dash. But if you got something real hard, make sure to put a towel down or something. And as you can see, I kind of just have them there, and then, pardon the mess, let's just go kind of diagonally straight to the back there, and plenty of room. So, you know, don't expect this to do pickup truck style work, but you know, if you do need to transport some 12-foot materials, it will do it. You just have to be careful not to scratch your leather and such, but there you have it. I hope that helps.